What is a sentence fragment? A sentence fragment is an incomplete sentence. To understand sentence fragments, we first need to understand what makes up a complete sentence. A complete sentence needs two things. First, it needs an independent clause, which is made up of a subject and a verb. A verb is an action word. A subject is that which carries out the action of the verb. In the sentence, the tree fell next to the lumberjack, the tree is the subject, because although it is not a conscious entity, it is performing the action of the verb fell. Second, a complete sentence needs to express a complete thought. For example, he ran is a complete thought, and therefore a complete sentence. He picked is not a complete thought, and therefore not a complete sentence. Ran is a transitive verb, one that doesn't require a direct object. Picked is an intransitive verb, one that does require a direct object. Whereas a subject is that which carries out the action of the verb, a direct object is the person, place, or thing that is acted upon. In the sentence, the lumberjack picked the tallest tree is the direct object. An intransitive verb without a direct object is just one sign of an incomplete sentence. A sentence fragment may have a dependent clause, but no independent clause on which to rely. Dependent clauses are also known as subordinating clauses. Subordinating clauses are often easily identifiable by their subordinating conjunctions. These include when, because, unless, and even though. Take the following example. George was 5, period, when he took the SAT. Only the second sentence is a fragment. To fix it, we need merely combine the sentences. George was 5 when he took the SAT, period.